Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment, your portal to fascinating facts and intriguing insights. Did you know that incorporating honey and lemon into your daily routine could save you up to 20% on your annual grocery bill? These pantry staples, often overlooked, hold the key to not just incredible flavor, but also a treasure trove of health benefits. For centuries, humans have harnessed the natural power of honey and lemon. But just how potent are these gifts from nature? Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the extraordinary world of honey and lemon, exploring their potential to transform your health and your wallet. From soothing sore throats to adding a zesty twist to your favorite dishes, honey and lemon offer a versatility that's hard to match. Get ready to unlock the secrets of these kitchen essentials and discover how they can revolutionize your life. Honey, a golden nectar painstakingly crafted by industrious bees, and lemon, the vibrant citrus fruit bursting with tangy flavor, have long been staples in kitchens around the world. Beyond their culinary appeal, these two ingredients possess a remarkable synergy, complementing each other's properties to create a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. Honey, with its rich sweetness, acts as the perfect foil to the tart, acidic nature of lemon, creating a harmonious balance that tantalizes the taste buds. This unique flavor combination can elevate the simplest of dishes, adding depth and complexity to everything from salad dressings to marinades. But their magic doesn't stop there. The natural sweetness of honey allows you to reduce or even eliminate refined sugar in your recipes, paving the way for healthier eating habits without sacrificing flavor. Meanwhile, lemon, with its high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties, brings an added boost of nutrition to the table. Together, honey and lemon offer a delicious and affordable way to enhance your meals while promoting a healthier lifestyle. They are the perfect example of how nature's bounty can be both delicious and beneficial. Beyond their culinary versatility, honey and lemon are revered for their impressive health benefits, passed down through generations of traditional wisdom. These natural ingredients work in synergy to bolster your body's defenses and promote overall well-being. Honey, a powerhouse of antioxidants, helps combat harmful free radicals in the body, protecting your cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties have also been recognized for centuries, making it a traditional remedy for soothing coughs and sore throats. Lemon, a rich source of vitamin C, acts as a potent immune system booster, helping your body ward off infections and stay healthy. Its citric acid content aids digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices, while its diuretic properties help flush out toxins, promoting a healthy urinary tract. Together, honey and lemon create a natural elixir that strengthens your body from within. Incorporating them into your diet is a simple yet profound way to invest in your long-term health and vitality. For centuries, humans have turned to nature's medicine cabinet to soothe ailments and find relief. And in the case of honey and lemon, this tradition holds true. When those winter winds bring chills and coughs, these two ingredients combine to offer a comforting and effective remedy. A warm honey and lemon drink can work wonders for a sore throat. Honey, with its viscous texture, coats and soothes irritated tissues, while lemon's citric acid helps to break down mucus and clear congestion. This simple concoction, passed down through generations, provides welcome relief from the scratchy discomfort of a cold. Beyond their soothing properties, both honey and lemon possess antibacterial qualities. Honey, in particular, contains natural enzymes that inhibit bacterial growth, helping to combat the infection at its source. So the next time you feel a tickle in your throat, reach for these pantry staples and let nature's healing power take over. In a world saturated with synthetic beauty products, it's refreshing to know that nature provides effective solutions for common skin concerns like acne. Honey and lemon, those kitchen essentials, can be transformed into a potent yet gentle face mask, working in harmony to clarify and brighten the complexion. Honey, a natural humectant, draws moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated without clogging pores. This is essential for acne-prone skin, as dryness can exacerbate oil production, leading to further breakouts. Lemon, on the other hand, acts as a natural astringent, helping to tighten pores and control excess sebum. To create this simple yet effective mask, combine raw honey with a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Apply the mixture to cleansed skin, avoiding the delicate eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic, before rinsing with lukewarm water. With regular use, this honey and lemon mask can help to reduce acne, fade blemishes, and reveal a brighter, clearer complexion. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the best solutions are found right in our own kitchens. Beyond their remedial benefits, honey and lemon lend their distinct flavors to a range of refreshing and revitalizing drinks. Whether you prefer a warm beverage to soothe the soul or a cool drink to quench your thirst, these two ingredients can be combined in countless ways to tantalize your taste buds. For a comforting winter warmer, try a classic hot honey and lemon drink. Simply combine freshly squeezed lemon juice and a generous spoonful of honey in a mug, then top it up with hot water. The steam carries the invigorating citrus aroma, while the honey adds a delicate sweetness that perfectly balances the lemon's tartness. When the weather turns warm, a refreshing honey and lemon iced tea is the perfect way to cool down. Brew a pot of your favorite tea, black or green, and allow it to cool. Stir in honey and lemon juice to taste, then chill the mixture thoroughly. Serve over ice with a sprig of mint and a slice of lemon for an invigorating and flavorful summer beverage. And these are just a starting point. The versatility of honey and lemon allows for endless experimentation in the realm of drinks. From infused waters to sparkling lemonades, the possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. So why not embark on a flavor adventure and discover your own signature honey and lemon drink? Honey with its viscous sweetness might seem an unlikely companion to the savory notes of a hearty meal, but nature in its infinite wisdom has often paired contrasting flavors to create perfect harmony, and so it is with honey and lemon, a culinary duo capable of elevating any dish from the ordinary to the extraordinary. Across the globe, resourceful cooks have long recognized the power of this dynamic duo. In the sun-drenched lands of the Mediterranean, a drizzle of honey and a squeeze of lemon transform grilled fish into a symphony of taste. The honey, gently caramelized by the heat, delivers a rich, complex sweetness that contrasts beautifully with the tart brightness of the lemon. This interplay of flavors, alongside the savory notes of the fish, creates a culinary masterpiece that tantalizes the palate and leaves one craving for more. Further east, in the bustling kitchens of Asia, honey and lemon weave their magic into stir-fries and marinades. The honey, with its subtle floral hints, adds depth and complexity to the savory sauces, while the lemon cuts through the richness, providing a refreshing counterpoint. While honey and lemon lend themselves effortlessly to the savory side of our kitchens, their true calling lies in the realm of sweet indulgence, for it is here, amongst the cakes and pastries, that this golden duo truly shines. Honey, a gift from nature's alchemists, the bees, possesses a unique sweetness that is both delicate and profound. Unlike the sharp, sometimes jarring sweetness of refined sugar, honey offers a more nuanced flavor profile with hints of floral nectar and warm caramel. This gentle sweetness pairs perfectly with the zesty tang of lemon, creating a harmonious balance that is both refreshing and satisfying. Whether it be a simple drizzle of honey over lemon-infused yogurt, or a decadent slice of honey and lemon cake, the combination is guaranteed to delight the senses. The versatility of this pairing is truly remarkable. From creamy cheesecakes to light and airy mousses, from tangy sorbets to comforting crumbles, honey and lemon can transform even the simplest dessert into a culinary masterpiece. The allure of honey and lemon extends far beyond the culinary world. For centuries, these natural wonders have been prized for their remarkable beauty benefits, offering a holistic approach to skincare and hair care. Honey, a humectant by nature, possesses an extraordinary ability to attract and retain moisture, making it a godsend for those with dry or dehydrated skin. Its rich antioxidant properties help combat free radical damage, keeping the skin looking youthful and radiant. Lemon, on the other hand, is a natural astringent, known for its ability to tighten pores and control excess oil production. Its high vitamin C content helps brighten the complexion, fading blemishes and promoting an even skin tone. Together, honey and lemon create a potent yet gentle combination that can be used to address a myriad of skin concerns. A simple face mask made with raw honey and a squeeze of lemon juice can work wonders to cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate the skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and refreshed. And so we enter the complex world of weight management, a delicate balancing act for so many creatures, including ourselves. While no single food holds the key to effortless weight loss, honey and lemon, in their natural partnership, offer intriguing possibilities. Honey, that viscous liquid gold, plays a crucial role in this delicate dance. You see, unlike refined sugar, honey in moderation can actually help regulate blood sugar levels. This, in turn, can prevent those drastic spikes and crashes that often lead to cravings and overeating. Lemon, our citrusy companion, joins this endeavor with its own unique strengths. Rich in pectin, a type of fiber, lemon helps us feel fuller for longer, a valuable asset in the quest to manage calorie intake. This sensation of satiety can prevent overindulgence, allowing for a more balanced approach to food. Furthermore, the dynamic duo's combined effect on digestion cannot be overlooked. Aiding in nutrient absorption and promoting healthy gut bacteria, honey and lemon work in harmony to optimize our internal systems, a crucial aspect of achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. But even amidst nature's bounty, caution must be exercised. While honey and lemon offer a plethora of benefits, excessive consumption, like venturing too far from the safety of the herd, can lead to unforeseen consequences. Honey, in its concentrated sweetness, while natural, is still sugar. Overindulging can contribute to unwanted weight gain and may pose risks for those with specific health conditions, like diabetes. Moderation, as always, is key to reaping the rewards without succumbing to potential pitfalls. Lemon, too, with its acidic nature, demands our respect. While beneficial in moderation, excessive consumption can erode tooth enamel, leaving them vulnerable to decay. It's a reminder that even the most beneficial elements of nature require a considered approach. And as with any new addition to our diets, consulting a healthcare professional is always a wise course of action. And so, we've journeyed through the remarkable world of honey and lemon, uncovering their hidden depths and remarkable talents. But how can we, in our own daily lives, harness these gifts for ourselves? The answer, like the nectar in the honeycomb, is readily available. A simple squeeze of lemon in warm water each morning can awaken the senses and invigorate the body, preparing it for the day ahead. A spoonful of honey, that liquid gold, stirred into yogurt or drizzled over porridge, provides a natural energy boost far exceeding any manufactured concoction. And as the sun begins its descent, a soothing cup of herbal tea, sweetened with a touch of honey and a twist of lemon, can ease the stresses of the day, allowing for a peaceful transition into the night. From the vibrant zest of lemon to the golden sweetness of honey, we've explored a world of flavor and wellness, a testament to nature's bounty. We've seen how these humble ingredients can transform the mundane into the extraordinary, adding a touch of magic to our culinary creations. We've delved into their remarkable medicinal properties, their ability to soothe and heal, to boost our immune systems and invigorate our bodies. And we've discovered how, with just a little creativity, they can be incorporated into our daily routines, enhancing our lives in countless ways. But most importantly, we've learned that good health and exquisite taste don't have to come at a steep price. Nature, in her infinite wisdom, has provided us with these readily available, affordable treasures waiting to be unlocked. So I encourage you to embark on your own culinary adventures, to experiment with these versatile ingredients and discover the endless possibilities that await. Our exploration of honey and lemon may be drawing to a close, but the journey doesn't end here. Tell me, what are your favorite ways to enjoy these gifts of nature? Share your own recipes, your tips and tricks in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, be sure to subscribe and join me as we continue to uncover the wonders of the natural world, one delicious discovery at a time.